Hello, everyone. I wanted to give you a quick run through as to how to get to the content in my course. So, as you approach the home page of ELA or ELA Honors, you are going to find that I have a week at a glance right here on our main page. Then at the bottom, you will also find live lessons, Canvas navigation, etc., and enter here. Now, you can go to enter here. That takes you through Module 1 and into Unit 1, where we're headed this first quarter. And then you can click this link for each of our lessons, and they will take us to our module page. So that's going to be kind of the long way. All right, here's the fastest way to get what you need to for each day is in our week at a glance. Head to Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, depending upon what day we're on. When you click on the link for that day, it takes you right to the first page of the lesson that we need for that day. Now, some things to keep in mind is in this lesson, it'll tell you at the beginning what we're doing that day and what our goals are. At the bottom, it will tell you what you're expected to do, including your homework for that day. So keep that in mind. Now, one other really fast way, if you want to get to what we're doing quickly, is to just go over here on the left and choose modules. And when you do that, it'll take you right to all of the modules I have published for us thus far. All right, before I let you go, let me remind you one other thing. Always keep an eye on this area over here, the to-do area, because it'll tell you some upcoming information. Now, one other important thing, if you click the calendar button on the left, every time a teacher assigns you something, it will populate on your calendar when it is due. So as you can see, for the 18th, something is going to be due for you, and it has been populated right on the calendar for you. So make sure you check these things out. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. I will see you all in class.